Hello, gals and guys! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to channel for all things home organization and cleaning. I'm Kelly, and today, get ready for an epic journey as we embark on a DIY small home office space makeover on a small budget. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. If you've been looking to revamp your workspace without burning a hole in your pocket, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to the end for a bonus idea that will put your personal stamp on the finished makeover. Let's kick things off with the foundation of any good makeover: decluttering and organizing. It's like a breath of fresh air for your workspace, and for you. Your workday will go so much better with a clean and organized office. We're talking about creating a zen zone where your creativity can flourish. Invest in storage bins. Declutter those tangled cables. And optimize your space. It's amazing how a well-organized workspace can positively impact your productivity. Now, on to step 2. Furniture. But here's the catch, we're not breaking the bank. Nope, we're upcycling. Grab that old desk or chair that's been hiding in the corner, and let's give it a makeover. I'll show you how a simple sanding, a fresh coat of paint or stain, or even some creative decoupage can turn your tired, worn-out furniture into a stylish focal point in your home office. Now give that old desk or chair a good sanding to prepare the surface for the new paint or stain. Wipe it with a dry microfiber cloth, or use a clean, dry paintbrush to remove all of the dust from the furniture. Next, apply your chosen paint or stain to breathe new life into your desk or chair. Apply a second coat if needed. And voila! You have a brand new piece of furniture for your new office space. Time to sprinkle some budget-friendly magic with decor. You don't need a fancy budget to make your space visually appealing. Thrift stores or garage sales can be goldmines for unique finds that won't break the bank. Let's explore together and find some hidden treasures. Whether it's a vintage lamp, a potted plant, or some affordable wall art, we'll transform your space into a Pinterest-worthy haven. Let's shed some light on step 4, office lighting. Good lighting can make or break your workspace. Instead of splurging on pricey fixtures, let's explore some budget-friendly alternatives. Think LED strips, fairy lights, or even repurposing an old lamp. The type of work you are doing and your personal preference for lighting will determine what fixtures you choose. Lighting will make a difference in the overall ambience of your home office. Now for our bonus idea. A personalized DIY vision board. Picture this: daily inspiration, motivation, and your goals right in front of you as you work. Here's an easy way to craft a vision board that resonates with you. Decide what size you would like your board to be and where you want to place it. You can put it on your desk, on the wall, or on your computer. Pick images of things that have meaning to you, like a car you would like, a place you would like to travel to, or a picture of loved ones you would like to spend more time with. Arrange these meaningful images along with the steps it will take to get there on your board. Place it where you will see it every day. This is the cherry on top of your home office makeover. And that's our epic DIY small home office space makeover on a small budget. I hope you're as excited as I am about the transformation. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more DIY goodness. Click here to see a DIY bedroom transformation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.